This is a really different picture,
Oh, yeah.
really different. And remembering friends, that puts a whole theme on it, and it does affect how I see it.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, I see it as a funeral gathering now.
Um, hmm. What do you see that's like a funeral gathering?
Well, it's like a burial, and that um, I guess either this or this would be the burial site.
Uh-huh.
You know, where the coffin goes down,
Yeah.
and then this here looks like some person speaking about the person.
Uh-huh.
This looks like the mother or wife who sits with her black outfit
Uh-huh.
here right next to the funeral. And
Uh-huh.
um, this blue guy, I don't know. Uh, I don't know about him at all.
Yeah.
But all these people look like they're looking on. It's a crowd. And when
Yeah.
I put this up, I just absolutely saw faces and people, There's
Yeah.
two people with their arm around each other.
Yeah. Yeah, they do sort of have, yeah, they all have heads anyway.
Yeah. Look at these two, the man and the woman. Their faces looking to the right.
Yeah. Yeah. It's amazing how that happens. They all have eyes and noses and
Yeah. And then the ones that are just hazy, that's how it is in a picture.
uh-huh.
So aren't close up, get a little hazy.
Yeah.
So, um,
Yeah. They're all gathered around in a circle, aren't they?
mhm, yeah.
But what's going on in the middle is important. That's part of
Yeah.
the
I mean, it could be a memorial service and not something going in the ground. It could be this is a statue or,
uh-huh.
um,
Hmm.
but when you called it remembering friends, I thought of a funeral.
Yeah. Hmm.
What,
Yeah. I was trying to push back my initial thought about that big figure in the middle being a big face
mhm,
or a big creature, and then then there's a blue like a cat on the right of it and a little
yeah,
puppy dog on the left that it's holding on to those two animals.
uh-huh,
That's the dog, and then the blue cat.
uh-huh,
So, but um, so I imagine that is something. Either maybe that's what that's just a kind of not a real presence, but something that everybody in the circle are imagining or kind of representing in some way, and by their gathering, that it may not be there, but that's they're remembering that person,
mhm,
and so that person has a bigger than normal size compared to all the other people because it's part of their imagination,
mhm,
and it's the center of their attention. Not that they see it, but they're all remembering that person.
mhm.
And remembering friends, it just occurred to me that could be that that figure in the middle is remembering all of her or his friends, or could be that all of those people around it are remembering friends.
Mhm.
You know what I mean? Remembering, not remembering friends, but they're remembering friends. You see what I mean? So it is, the remembering describes the friends.
Yeah,
It doesn't describe what somebody is doing.
as, instead of a verb.
Yeah, like grateful friends
Yeah,
um, or close friends.
yeah,
They're remembering friends because they remember.
yeah. Look at this right here. It's like a woman holding a baby.
Yeah, yeah, see that. Yeah, you could look at each of those figures and come up with a little bit of a story about them.
Mhm.
All right.
Like someone walking right here.
Oh yeah. Yeah, see the feet.
Yeah, that was really interesting.
All right, Catherine, let's stop the discussion.